This comes from the EFF, and they are talking about California's new mobile driver's license. So this article is actually like a call to action for politicians, but I thought the information was really interesting. Quoting the article, the California DMV Wallet app came out in app stores last year as a pilot, offering the ability to store and display your mobile driver's license or MDL on your smartphone without needing to carry and present a traditional physical document. Several features in this app replicate how we currently present the physical document with key information about our identity, like address, age, birthday, driver class, etc. However, other features in the app provide new ways to present the data on your license. Right now, we only take out our license occasionally throughout the week. However, with the app's QR code and add-on features, the incentive for frequency may grow. This concerns us, given the risk of age verification laws that burden everyone's access to the internet and the lack of comprehensive consumer data privacy laws that keep businesses from harvesting and selling identifying information and sensitive personal information. For now, you can use the California DMV Wallet app with TSA in airports and with select stores that have opted into an age verification feature called TrueAge. That feature generates a separate QR code for age verification on age-restricted items such as alcohol and tobacco. This is not simply a one-to-one exchange of going from a physical document to an MDL. Rather, this presents a wider scope of possible usage of MDLs that needs expanded protections for those who use them. While California is not the first state to do this app, it will be used as an example to explain the current landscape. California decided to contract with a third-party vendor to build the app rather than using the existing Google or Apple wallets. There are concerns about large companies being contracted by the state to deliver MDLs to the public, such as their controlling of public image of digital identity and device compatibility. Scope is also a concern. The state contracted with Spruce ID to build this app, and the company states that its purpose is to empower, quote, organizations to manage the entire life cycle of digital credentials, such as MDLs, software audit statements, professional certifications, and more. And in the add-on section, TrueAge's age verification QR code is available. Just a quick pause there. In other words, like, what is the scope of these companies? Are they limited to just building this app? Are they allowed to use this data for other things? Valid concerns, of course. And then going back to the article, another issue is selective disclosure, meaning the technical ability for the identity credential holder to choose which information to disclose to a person or entity asking for information from their credential. This is a long-time promise from enthusiasts of digital identity. The most used example is verification that the credential holder is over 21 without showing anything else such as name or address. But the California DMV Wallet app has lack of options for selective disclosure. Like the article says, this is really a growing trend of being able to store your documents digitally, which, to be honest, I think is a really cool idea. I like it, especially, again, the part where you can just confirm I am over 21. Personally, I carry in the US, if you get a passport for an extra $20, you can get a card that is, I believe, supposed to be good for Canada and Mexico. So like you don't need to carry the whole booklet, you just need the card. And the thing I like about the card is it doesn't have address. It just has name, date of birth. I mean, it has some other numbers on there, but as far as like showing it to the random person at the grocery store, they're not going to find out anything else about me from just the card. So I do like that idea from a privacy perspective, but as the EFF is pointing out, if we're going to go this route, it's important to do it and consider the risks. Who are the companies making this? How are they handling the data? What are they allowed to do with the data? What kind of control do people have over the information that gets shared? So on and so forth. So yeah, I felt like that was a really comprehensive article to share with you guys about this issue.
Hey, thanks for watching this clip. Here's another clip for you, and if you want to really dive into tech news, check out our main channel, Surveillance Report, for all your privacy and security news in a convenient video and audio podcast once a week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.